Okay, go ahead and take it out. Oh, God. Ah! How to avoid getting a bad haircut every time. If it was one thing I dislike, I would have to say it was coming behind people that had already messed up their head and want me to fix it. Now, unless you're trying to be a barber, don't cut your own hair. I mean, you wouldn't put braces on your own teeth, or you wouldn't do your own heart surgery. Wash your hair. If you get your hair washed or wash your hair before you get it cut, you're gonna get the best haircut that barber can give you. Now, number 3 is very important. You have to tell your barber that you're gonna tip them before the service starts. Now, if you don't have it to tip, don't tell them you're gonna tip. But if you have it to tip, go ahead and tell your barber that you're gonna tip him or her before the service starts. Now, when you do this, watch it. It's magic. Number 4, let you be one of those customers that bring stuff to your barber. I mean, bring gifts like cigars, cigarettes, beer, wine, liquor, whatever your barber likes. You know what your barber likes. I don't know, give him a book. But give a gift periodically and see what happens. You might get free haircuts sometime. And number 5, make it to your appointments on time. There's nothing worse than me sitting up here for 30 minutes into your appointment and you just showing up. You ain't called and said nothing about, hey man, I'm in traffic, my Uncle Luke died, anything. I'm sitting up here waiting on you. You ain't gave me the courtesy to call me. You know what I'm saying? Now it makes your haircut bad. Come on, work with me, people. If your barber accepts walk-ins, call them first and say, hey, what's the best time to come on in? Or her, call her and say, hey, what's the best time so I can come in? They're gonna let you know. Maybe they wanna get some lunch. Maybe they wanna go see their mother. I don't know. But they gonna let you know what time they wanna get in. All right? That's how you get the best haircut. Da-da-da-da. Number 6. Man, number 6 so flashy. All you gotta do is compliment your barber. Tell your barber that he the best barber in the world. Man, watch how fly your haircut be. Parents. Number 7 for you. Come on, let me get real close. I want you to know this. The barber will get frustrated with a kid that doesn't sit still in the chair, all right? But please do not add telling us how to cut the hair instead of telling us how you want their hair cut. It's a difference. Go against the grain or go with the grain. You're not a barber. If you wanted to be the barber, you would have cut their hair yourself. So give us some leeway and respect. And that's how you get the best haircut. Number 8 for my hard workers. Now, bro, I don't know if you tired or got a disease or something, but man, stop falling unconscious in the chair. Bro, it's cool to doze off, but if I gotta hold your neck up, kid, and like that's too much, man. Like, that ought to be an extra charge. Bro, you cannot fall unconscious in the chair. Now, number 9. This was on the fence, but man, you can't look at your phone all through the haircut. If you got some stuff to do, try to end it before you get in the chair. If you looking in your phone, your head down like this here, I can't get your stuff right. Come on, man. And no, I don't want to see what you got. Torn, look at this here. I don't want to see it. I'm ready to get finished with your haircut, man. Chewing gum and eating is number 10. If you're gonna chew gum, man, listen, at least wait after I get off the side of your edge. I mean, look, I'm chewing, the side of my head is bouncing, bro. How you gonna get a straight, look, how you gonna get a straight edge? If you chewing and the side of your head bouncing, bro, you gotta know an edge in your head. You gotta be still, man. That's how you get the best haircut every time. Now, number 11 is my biggest and personal pet peeve, man. I know you know that I'm edging your mustache. Stop talking. Like, I cannot get your mustache straight if you don't stop talking. Wow, look, you talking, this stuff is moving. I can't hit a moving target every time perfect, bro. I know you, I'm the best barber in the world, I know it. But bro, give me some leeway. Stop talking while I'm edging your mustache. Cool? Now this concludes how to avoid getting a bad haircut every time. If you liked anything you heard or disliked anything you heard, I want you to hit the subscribe and share button with both hands.